In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a YouTube video in PowerPoint. Whether you're preparing a workshop presentation or designing a lively slideshow for school, incorporating video content can make your presentation far more engaging. The process is fairly straightforward and takes just a few minutes, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your browser and search for Microsoft PowerPoint. If you're not already on your PowerPoint dashboard, locate the link and click on it to open up PowerPoint. If required, go ahead and log into your account, ensuring you have access to the presentation tools you need. Now, to prepare for adding your video, transition over to your web browser and bring up the YouTube video you intend to use in your presentation. Find the Share button beneath the video player and click on it. This brings up several sharing options, one of which will be the video's URL. Copy this URL as you'll need it momentarily. With your YouTube link ready, go back to your PowerPoint application and open the presentation file you're working on. Select the slide where you would like to embed the video. This selection process is essential to ensure the video is positioned exactly where you want it within your presentation sequence. Next, navigate to the top of the PowerPoint window where you'll see a series of tabs. Click on the Insert tab, which opens a toolbar with several options. In this toolbar, focus on the right side where you will find the Media group. Locate the option labeled Video, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Online Video. A dialog box will pop up, presenting you with two convenient options for finding your video. If you already have the URL copied from YouTube, paste it directly into the search box. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can type the video's name into the search box and press Enter to conduct a search. Once the video appears in your search results, or it populates after pasting the URL, click on the video thumbnail or link and then hit the Insert button. PowerPoint will work its magic, and the video will soon appear on your chosen slide. With the video now embedded in your slide, you have the ability to adjust its size and position. Click and drag to move the video or use the corner handles to resize it. Additionally, in the top ribbon, select the Video Format and Playback tabs to modify the appearance and playback settings of your video as desired. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily enrich your PowerPoint slides with YouTube videos, creating a more dynamic and attention-grabbing presentation. Happy presenting!